bring Jose some goodies today from 5-3. We have more garage flags, gas and clutch socks, Gapplebeast cards, baseball tees, t-shirts, everything like that. We've got a lot of great high quality stuff in stock at 53spot.com, so make sure you guys check it out. Today, the R35 and the R33 are gonna be meeting for the first time. This is exciting. Had to order this from somewhere in like New Zealand or something like that. Some R33 GTR stuff we're gonna be testing today. See you later, Jerome. Have a good one. I don't know why you're sitting there, but okay, cool. The R33's been away for now 2 months, and it's been down for about 3 or 4, so today's gonna be awesome. Something I'm also stoked about is to get out of traffic! Dustin's coming into town this weekend, so I'm really excited to see him. I believe he's gonna be in town for a car show, and I might just join him. It's very possible that the R33 could be ready for this car show. So keep up with our Instagrams and we'll let you know, but I'm really excited to see my California friends again. It's been a really long time. Oh, there's a tunnel up here. Yes, 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 yes! I love it! Guys, I am so excited. This is such a big deal. Oh, I haven't seen this. Oh! 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 Let's go see the car. You gotta make sure he knows I'm here. Oh, is she running? Hey! Yo! What's up, dude? Hey, man, I got you some goodies. Hold up. I got you a flag, and I got you some gas and clutch socks. I figured you'd need some of those. How you doing, man? Oh, man, I'm so excited. So, she's primed. She's ready. Is this like the final stage of primer? Pretty much. Gotta just finesse it down, get it made. Oh, man. Woo! Okay, yeah. I got a lot to show you guys. Dude, you have done such an awesome job on this. So, like, he's molded the kit to where, like, it flows. Like, the doors and everything flow with each other. This, look at the gap right here. Look at this gap. There's like, well, the lack thereof, I guess. Looking so good. I hope you know this is a big day too, because like my R33 and 35 have not been together yet. So they're gonna meet each other and it's gonna be a good time. You even like this is now closed up. This is awesome, man.
It's actually panel bonded and properly closed up.
Dude, this is SEMA ready, my dude. This is awesome, look at this. And so you guys, I don't know if you guys remember, but like this door and this panel were like really not cooperating together. And Jose actually made the panels line up and everything, dude. Like you cannot tell this car has
and also here
a kit on it.
I did some fiberglass.
Yeah, okay.
See how it fits a lot better?
Well, yeah, so like these skirts were meant for the gts-t. Yeah, so like he's cut and he's messed with this a little bit.
I had to set it on there just to see what my line's at, and then I could just remove it.
That's awesome. And then, so like these are GTR front fenders, so he had to go through and make sure that actually worked. So he actually molded the side skirt and everything. Wow. And so today, we gotta drive it around. When you do stuff like this, when you have panel bonded stuff like that, you wanna make sure before you paint it, you go and drive it, just in case like something cracks or just little things here and there. Oh man, I haven't watched Fast and Furious while I've driven in so long, man. I'm ready again. I'm ready for it, dude. Oh boy. Oh man, I've been waiting for this moment. Oh, they finally get to meet each other too. Wow, it's so much smaller. Look how much smaller this car is, dude. This car is teeny tiny compared to the 35. What the hell? This car is literally like a foot wider than this car, even with the GTR body kit on it. What in the hell? Oh my God. You guys have no idea how long I have been anticipating the day my two Skylines are, there's no easy way to say it, like I can't, that's technically not a Skyline and this is technically not a GTR, but like my GTRs are finally together. Oh man. This is a happy day. So now I guess before we do any testing with the carbon fiber hood, I need to drive it around just a wee bit and make sure that nothing cracks, nothing rubs, we don't have any problems. Oh, wait, where is the, oh, here it is, found it. It's been so long since I've sat in these seats, dude. I love this car. I love this car. All right. I basically just need to test the suspension flex and just give it a little, be a little rough on it, so. All right, it's good. Let me go ahead and test some suspension flexing. Go do some circles. And the great thing is, as soon as this is done, I have like everything at the house to get this car to like 450 horsepower. So we're finally actually like starting the build.
Nice.
And test that flex. All good, no rubbing. I know, so much, dude, so much. Okay, now that she's in here, we need to go ahead and try these little guys. I'm hoping the GTR ones actually bolt in to the same location, but whenever we showed up here about a month ago to test fit the hood, the stock hinges didn't bolt into that. So this is an R33 GTR hood. I bought R33 GTR hinges, and so I'm hoping it works. So this is where's the old one at? It looks like it's fitting about similar. Yeah, that's the same one, dude.
It's the same.
It's the exact same. We might just have to tap a new hole into the frame where this bolts into, because these are the exact same. That's funky. These holes are a little too far back. It needs to be moved forward probably like a 1/4 of an inch or so, but it's just different enough to where it just doesn't fit just right. Well, rip. I guess I didn't have to do that. It's funny because I looked it up and somebody online said that they were different hinges. And obviously, like, this is why you kind of just can't always trust forums and stuff, but I have an extra set of hinges now, I guess. But you did say that you put the hood on, it latches at least. Yes. Okay, so it'll latch, but I guess we just got to end up doing that. Jose, you're the man. I want you guys, I said this whenever I first drop it off, but I want you guys to make sure you check out Delira Designs on Instagram. If you guys need any body work done on your car or any paint work, make sure you hit him up, because obviously, like, I mean, it's just primed right now and it's really hard to see, but I guess in like a week or so, you guys are gonna see how actually amazing this car is gonna look. I cannot wait to have it be just a little bit wider, have fresh paint for the first time since I've seen it. So I guess now the next thing Jose is gonna end up doing is with the paint, how it previously was, you can actually see it, it's really bunched up and like really thick. Like they just kind of caked, oh wow, I'm actually peeling it off right now. They just kind of caked on paint on here with little to no prep. They have to clean stuff like that up. You're gonna go panel for panel and do a little bit more wet sanding to get the body smoother, and then do little details, finish up little details. And then how many days do you think until this goes into paint?
Maybe 2, max 3. I think it might be just 2 days, yeah.
Maximum 3, dude. I appreciate the quality of work that Jose has done, man. This is really, really awesome. Hey, and eventually, maybe if I put an RB26, if you have leftover paint, we can go ahead and spray the engine bay and make it all pretty in here. And then we'll end up having to do a little bit of fender work maybe to go ahead and get this to make sure it doesn't bonk or anything like that. I do have some suspension components to put on this to give it a little more negative camber up front. Ooh, but this is it, boys. I miss this car. Miss this car, and I cannot wait to drive it. What's the fastest car you've been in?
That I can remember. There were a few belt cars, but this was back in the early 2000s, so it's been a while. I'm sure I'm still gonna be freaked out. So.
Okay, cool.
It's been a while. It's kind of like going up on a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Hear the clicking.
Say welcome to the State Fair of Texas.
I haven't felt that in a long time. Oh man, that feels good.
I love this car so much, dude.
It's feels like Mario and Star Power.
Dude, let me know. Send me some more pictures and follow Jose on Instagram. Dude, I'm so psyched. I think they are too. There's a lot of people that are really excited.
Everybody's waiting on the color.
For sure. Appreciate you, man. I'll see you soon, dude. I'll see you in a few days.
All right, man.
Dude, I love this car. Jose is in Mansfield, which is about an hour and 15 minutes one direction. Taking that into consideration, and then where I have to go to get the 85, like a 3-hour round trip. Never even get tired of driving this car. Not to mention, I get to just sit there and beat the crap out of it. I can go full throttle or no throttle, and this thing is just awesome. Love this car. Anyways, I wish I had a little more R33 content for you guys today. We were supposed to test fit the hood, but that obviously worked out how it did. I'm very thankful for Jose Delira. He's obviously done a really good job, above and beyond my expectations. He's saying the car should be done this week, so if you follow our Instagrams and stuff like that, stay up with us because I might be taking and revealing the R33 this weekend at a show here. My advice for you guys today is to, I've said this before, and sometimes I wake up and I remind myself this, and it's a really good thing to just think about. If you have eyes to see and ears to hear, hands, arms, feet, legs to use, if you can walk, if you can breathe, if you can see, if you can smell, you can taste, you can eat, you have no excuse not to live your best life today. You have no excuse not to do your best, not to just be thankful and proceed throughout your day at the best of your ability. It's super easy to look at the things we don't have, what we wish we had, but really, like, if you think about it, it's so awesome to be able to get out of bed, walk, see, smell, use your hands and feet. Be thankful for that today and live your best life. That's my advice for you guys today. I'll catch you guys later. Peace. Ooh, that was another awkward ending. I'm doing really bad at endings lately. Watch those 2 videos, or I will eat a whole pizza. Actually, I might just do that anyways.